So now it is time for us to look at, if you're not a lawyer, mock trial, summative part 2, aka the role description, this one. So the first thing you need to do is insert the name of your role here. The name of your role here. So the people we have in the room, Jake Neche, you have one of these that says witness. So your role is Phil Jackson, and you are the defense witness. Matt Tennant, your role is the court clerk. The court clerk. Your duties are defined in the handout that I gave you. So for each of you who has a role in the trial, there was a handout outlining what your duties are. You can put that directly in where it says insert definition here. Insert definition here. So Jake, if you said, I am Phil Jackson, Carrie's friend, and the defense witness, that's what you would put under definition, is Carrie's friend and defense witness. It would go Phil Jackson into insert role here, and right here it would be Carrie's friend and the defense witness. Phil Jackson, defense witness. And if you open up the information for it, it's there. It'll explain to you if you're on the Crown or defense side. Everybody else, Dylan Zolski, Michael Watson, Matt Tennant, you are all on the Crown side. So you would knock out the word defense and you would put Crown. It's important because you didn't do an opening statement planner online that you put the definition of actus reus and mens rea in the next part. Actus reus and mens rea. Court services officer. The rest, after the actus reus and the mens rea, are a series of questions that you have to answer. They are single sentence questions that you have to answer about your role or your testimony. It breaks apart your testimony. So you are in the same line as the lawyers are. If you are a court services officer or a court clerk or something along those lines, your specific duties on the day of the trial. So say Michael's the court services officer. What he is going to do, escort witnesses from outside the courtroom. And then Michael, what you would do is you would list the witnesses and who they are. So these witnesses include defense witness. Jake, what's your name? Phil Jackson. There you go, Michael. So that's what you would do. That's one of the many things that you would do. Matt Tennant, you have an entire description in there that talks about the different stages to the trial, right? So at this point in the trial, I call the trial to order. At this point in the trial, I tell people to sit down and so on, right? I tell people to stand up. Good? All right, so anything specific to your role in that case, that's what you do. Now, if you are a witness, we'll take a quick look at that as well. Those who are doing the other category, you can start. Witnesses, you can take a look at this. So we're looking at role description, witness. Here we go. So we're looking at Philly Jackson in this case. This is for you, Jake. So you have the same thing here. You have the definition of what the witness does. You have your role, which is as Phil Jackson here, and you are on the defense side, right? Next, you define actus reus and mens rea. You name yourself here, and then this is your testimony at the bottom. So you use these questions. You use the testimony that's already provided to you. Dylan, it'll be the same thing with you. You've got that whole list of testimony. Just answer those questions. And that will be exactly what your testimony is in the trial. That's it. You just have to answer the questions. That's 25 marks for doing this and getting this done well in detail. Down here, if you are on the defense side, you're going to choose not guilty. If you're on the Crown side, so Dylan is Justin Tran, you're going to pick guilty. And that's it. That's all you have to do for your role description. And then that, next to participating on the day of the trial itself, is all you have to do for this project. Yeah. So be here, day of the trial, participate in that, and then you're all set. If there's any questions, I'll take them after the video is done. Alrighty. So tomorrow, we look at cross-examination when Mr. Booten's here. Thanks again.